ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಯುದ್ಧ ವಿಮಾನಗಳಿದೆ, ಯುದ್ಧ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸೈನ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಯಾರು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಮೂಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಯುದ್ಧ ವಿಮಾನ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸೇನೆಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿಯ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದೇ DGAQA. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಜನರಲ್ AQO ಸಂಜಯ್ ಚಾವ್ಲಾ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskaram.
How are you?
Good afternoon. Fine.
Okay.
Welcome to DGAQA stall.
What is DGAQA, sir?
Yeah, we are last 70 years. We are a Government of India regulatory body for military aviation. Whatever the aircrafts are being manufactured in the country or they are overhauled, serviced for use by Indian Defence Services, like Indian Air Force, Army Aviation, Naval Aviation, even Indian Coast Guard Aviation. So those aircrafts are checked during their manufacture at the component level, sub-assembly level, assembly level, then functional test, and each and every aircraft when it is built up, before our officers check all the important things which are critical to quality from the flight safety point of view, and we give the clearance for flight.
Okay.
When it is from nut bolts to the final aircraft, each and every parts, the area is checked, and our officers, they give the flight clearance, and after each flight, then whatever snacks are reported by pilot, they are rechecked. Again, those snacks are rectified. So it has a lot of responsibility on our officers. All our young officers, they are selected. They are professional engineers from Indian Engineering Services. They are class 1 officers from the UPSC. And you will see number of directors are available here. In different areas they are working. So all the DPSUs here which are having different stalls, private industries now under Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat,
yes.
number of companies are coming up.
Yes.
And in military aviation, last 5 years, our quantum of work almost has doubled.
Okay.
We were somewhere 18,000 crores we used to clear. Now last year we cleared some 35,000 crores for our Indian Defence Forces.
Okay.
Now government has taken one initiative which I want to bring for the industry in general. Earlier, if you are exporting to some foreign friendly countries,
Okay.
let us say Sri Lanka or Nepal,
Acha.
we used to charge some inspection charges which used to range from 1 to 4%.
Okay.
So this was making our Indian industry uncompatible.
Right,
They were
right.
not economically competitive.
Okay.
So government, MOD, under our central government, they took the decision to waive off these charges.
Okay.
Now our services can be availed free of cost
Okay.
by industry
Okay.
if they want to export military aviation stores to any of our friendly countries.
Okay.
So it will be free service
Yeah.
as we are giving service to our Indian Air Force and Navy or Army. On similar way for export, DGAQA is providing free services to the private industry as well.
Okay.
So this can be, utilized by the industry for export to our foreign countries. This will help build up our export as well as make our country's, reputation in military aviation hardware. So this
Since how long here you are working in this as a director?
as a Director General, I am completing almost 5 years now,
Okay.
and our organization was set up in 1954.
Okay.
So-
Congratulations for that. Can I ask you one tricky or simple question or funny question? आपने कितने एयरक्राफ्ट को बैन किया है?
You see,
रिजेक्ट किया है?
this is a continuous activity.
Okay.
The rejection is at the various levels.
Okay.
And it is always, whenever we are checking certain things, it is not outright rejection. In certain cases, they are reworked.
Okay.
You find some non-conformance,
Uh-huh.
deviation. So either there are 3 options for me. Either I can rework on the deviation, make it correct,
Okay.
okay, or I reject it fully, or I can clear it for some lower level of working. It can use for some minor activity. So there are these, as per we have a detailed procedures.
Yeah,
I just bring out, our all the documentations.
Okay.
These are unique in us.
Okay.
These kind of documents you will not find in many of these. They are world-class documents which we have developed.
Wow.
This is our Indian military airworthiness procedure, which has latest Honorable Raksha Mantri has approved this,
Okay.
and this is also approved by Secretary R&D and Secretary Defence Production,
Acha.
and this gives the roles, responsibilities
Yes.
of each and everybody
Okay.
in the military aviation.
Okay.
So there is no confusion. Everything, the role and responsibilities, all details are listed. How to handle the rejection,
Right.
how deviation. So these are our set of, you can say, like Gita or Quran or Bible
Okay.
for all our officers.
Okay.
It's a guiding documents for all of us. So this is for the suppliers who want to get approval from us under self-certification. if some industry wants, so if they have the proper quality management system, we can approve their organization. Their inspectors will be approved by us. We will give them inspection stamps. So they work on our behalf. And we do more on audit mode. So we work with a lot of delegation to the Indian industry. So this is on the approval of industry. And this is for approval of the firm for the like release note signatory. So this is also for registration purpose as well as giving the self-certification under the green channel policy of Government of India. So this is for registration of the firms. Any new vendor, if they want to develop certain stores, so we assess him and we give approval to him so that he can bid against the tenders
Okay.
by service headquarters.
Okay.
So with our registration, he can bid in the tender inquiry.
Okay.
So this is the detailed procedure, how the marking is done, what's the requisites he should have. So all those details are well laid down in all our documents.
Right.
They are available on our website also,
Yeah.
as well as they are available for the industry.
Right,
So I request you put these details
Sure.
for the benefit of the industry.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಚಾವ್ಲಾ ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Thank you.
ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವಾಯುನೆಲೆಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವಂತಹ ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯುದ್ಧದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಅನಾಹುತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲಡ್ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೋಪದೋಷನೂ ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಶ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಏರ್ ಶೋನಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಬಾ ಹಕೀಂ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏರ್ ಶೋ ಯಲಹಂಕ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.